Hello students, hope you all doing well. Today I am going to teach you English grammar of class 5 and the topic is comparison of adjectives. Welcome class. Today's lesson is comparison of adjectives. Now take some example. First example, Ravi is a tall boy. Second example, Mohan is a taller than Ravi. Third example, Amit is the tallest boy of the three. So, in the first sentence, the adjective tall simply indicates that Ravi is tall. We do not compare him with any other boy. This simple form of an adjective is called the positive degree. Now, an adjective in the positive degree refers to some quality in a person or thing. It is used when we make no comparison. Now, come to the second sentence. Mohan is taller than Ravi. In this sentence, the adjective taller indicates comparison between Ravi and Mohan. Such an adjective is called the adjective of comparative degree. An adjective in the comparative degree refers to a higher degree of quality than the positive. It is used when we make a comparison between the two persons or things. So, students, in the last slide, we learned about positive degree and the comparative degree. Now, in this slide, we learn more about superlative degree. Now, the third sentence is Amit is the tallest boy of the three. So, in the third sentence, the adjective tallest indicates that the boy Amit has the quality in the highest degree. The adjective tallest is one of the superlative degree. An adjective in the superlative degree refers to the highest degree of quality. It is used when we compare more than two persons or things. Now, there are the degree of comparison. Look at this picture. Tall, taller, tallest, high, higher, highest, fat, fatter, fattest, low, lower, lowest, easily, more easily, most easily, little, less, least, large, larger, largest, fast, faster, fastest. Now, in the further slides, we will learn more about the formation of comparative and superlative degree. Now, students, in this we will learn more about the formation of comparative and superlative degree. First, the formation can be by adding er and es to the positive degree. The comparative forms of one syllable adjectives are formed by adding er or r to the positive form, and the superlative forms are formed by adding est or st. Er and est are added to the positive forms which ends in two consonants or consonants that's preceded by the two vowels. For example, tall is a positive form, comparative form of tall is taller, superlative is tallest. Long, longer, longest, poor, poorer, poor, poorest. Now, take more example like bold, bolder, boldest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, dark, darker, darkest, great, greater, greatest, hard, harder, hardest. Now, in the second slides, we will learn more about the formation. In this slides, formation of comparative and super degree can be done by doubling the last letter of the positive degree and adding ER and the EST. R and ST are added to the positive forms which end in E. Example: brave, braver, bravest; nice, nicer, nicest; wise, wiser, wisest. So take more example: able, abler, ablest; brave, braver, bravest; close, closer, closest; find, finer, finest; large, larger, largest. And in the next point, the positive forms which ends in the consonants that's preceded by a short vowel, the consonants must be doubled before adding ER or EST. For example, big, bigger, biggest; fat, fatter, fattest; hot, hotter, hottest. In this, by doubling the last letter of the positive degree and adding ER and EST, we can make comparative and superlative forms. For example, big, bigger, biggest; dim, dimmer, dimmest; fat, fatter, fattest; hot, hotter, hottest; mad, madder, maddest. Now, in this slide, we will learn more about the formation of comparative and superlative degree by changing Y into the I before adding ER and EST to the positive degree. For example, busy, busier, busiest. We change Y into I plus ER in the comparative form, and in the superlative form we convert Y into I and add EST. So busy, busier, busiest; dirty, dirtier, dirtiest; easy, easier, easiest; funny, funnier, funniest; happy, happier, happiest. Take more example: costly, costlier, costliest; dry, drier, driest; easy, easier, easiest; happy, happier, happiest; heavy, heavier, heaviest; lazy, lazier, laziest; merry, merrier, merriest; wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. So these are the different forms of superlative and comparative form adjectives. So students, in this slide, formation of comparative and superlative degree can be done by using irregular comparative and superlative forms of comparison. For example, there is a different word for the positive and adjectives as compared to comparative and superlative. For example, bad, worse, worst; far, further, farthest; good, better, best; late, later, latest; little, less, least; many, more, most; much, more, most; old, older, oldest; or elder or eldest. In this, there is a irregular comparative and superlative forms of comparison. So students, there are some general rules for the correct usage of degree of adjectives. First, some adjectives such as prior, senior, junior, superior and inferior take place to in place of them. For example, first example is, the questions has been asked prior to my arrival. Second example, they are senior to me in office. Third example, Hari is junior to Mohan in experience. Fourth example, this model is technically superior to its competitors. Fifth example, modern music is often considered inferior to that of the past. So, student, this is the first general rule which you have to use to correct usage of degree of adjectives. Now, the second rule is double comparatives and superlatives should not be used. For example, Mohit is more taller than Mohan. This is the wrong sentence. Correct sentence will be Mohit is taller than Mohan. So in this sentence, comparative form of tall is taller and it is not be used with double comparative or superlative degree of comparison. Now there are some other rules also to follow. Word then is used in the sentence when two people or things are compared. It is used with the adjectives of comparative degree, like Asia is larger than Africa. Second, article the is used before the superlative form. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So these are some general rules for the correct usage of degree of adjectives. I hope students you all understood the chapter completely and clearly. If you have any doubt, just mention in the comment box and write your name, class and roll number in the comment box also. Thank you students, and be safe at your home and do study well.